Next up is Chad with a question about a Roger CPA review study plan and how to add Ninja CPA. I'm looking for a CPA study plan where I can utilize Roger CPA review and Ninja together. What is the best way to combine Roger CPA and Ninja? Some of the questions in Roger CPA review don't line up with Ninja. I'm reading the Ninja book first, then reading the Roger book and taking notes if things need to be clarified and better explained in either book. I am then reading the Ninja notes. The Ninja notes help me to understand what I read from Ninja, but the sections are different in Roger. Is there a more efficient method that I should use with both CPA review programs to maximize your study sessions? Yes. First of all, if you have Roger CPA review and Ninja, then I would not read either book. I would watch the Roger CPA review lectures. And here's why. I personally believe that Roger is one of the best CPA review instructors out there, and one of the most knowledgeable and one of the just best overall teachers. Now, he speaks very fast, and some people, especially people with English as a second language, might not like that as much. But I personally believe that if you have the Roger CPA review course, then you should watch the lectures, because that is definitely, I'm sure there's many strengths of the Roger course, but his lectures are definitely one of them. And then obviously the UWorld platform, their technology platform. So if you have the Roger CPA review lectures, then watch the Roger lectures and take notes. So that's nail the concepts with the Roger lectures, take intense notes, and then we can come back to sparring or cram later. So nail the concepts, intense notes. Then I would switch over to Ninja MCQ for the nonstop multiple choice questions, especially if this is for a retake. If it's your first time and you're using Roger plus Ninja, pick whichever test bank. Maybe do Ninja MCQ and then the Roger Sims, or vice versa. Now the concept, intense notes, nonstop MCQ, just rewrite your notes. Then I would rewrite the notes either that you took from the Roger lectures or rewrite the Ninja notes, and then it all comes together in a final review. I would, if you've already watched the Roger lectures, then I would not watch the Roger cram. I would watch the Ninja cram instead. Ninja Mike, also one of the best instructors out there in CPA review, and I'm not just biased. He really is. And I get emails all the time, people saying that. And so now your question was about the Ninja notes. So I would watch your Roger lectures from the beginning, and I would listen to the Ninja audio from the beginning, and I would start reading your Ninja notes from the beginning, so that by the time you take your exam, you've read the Ninja notes and you've listened to the Ninja audio many, many, many times. I don't think that you need to listen to the Roger audio because unless they've changed something, it's just the audio rip from their cram. And so if you're going to do that, then you might as well just watch the cram. The Ninja audio is made for auditory learning, meaning I assume that you can't see anything, and so I paint the picture in your head. And because I'm a huge fan, I don't read a lot of books. I listen to a lot of books because I learn best through auditory learning. So that's what I would do. Now, you mentioned Ninja Sparring. So the difference between Ninja Cram and Ninja Sparring is like it's like a review course. It's like everything about a topic. The Ninja Cram like drills down into things that you need to know the most. So if there's a topic in your Roger CPA review lectures that you're not getting, then I would maybe watch the Ninja Sparring session over those, or I would watch the Ninja Cram over that section. So that's how I would do it. Topic wise, the I think many courses map their test bank to the blueprint. So the way that we've done the book and sparring is we don't match to the blueprint for the book, and that's intentional because there are certain topics that spread across multiple blueprint sections. And so instead of having a topic just split up, we just do it all in one section. So the ninja book, ninja sparring, ninja notes, it's all topical. The ninja MCQ test bank, it's by the blueprint, and we think that that's the most successful. We don't personally believe that teaching to the blueprint is real advantageous. You want to teach topically and then have your MCQ mapped to the blueprint. And that's the approach that we've taken with Ninja anyway. I hope that's helpful.